Today we will understand the git commands in a very short and quick video. So let's see if git is installed or not. To check that, in command prompt enter -git. If it is not installed, we can download from gitforwindows.org. Now after downloading, we have git. Now go to GitHub repository and copy the link of the repository. In command prompt git clone and the link of the repository. It will create a local folder with the same name as the remote project. It will also initiate git in that folder and download the current state of the remote project on our local machine. To verify if our local project is now linked to our remote project, go to created repo, then do cd git course and then git remove v. It will print the remote repo links. Now to send, what is meant by push? To send local file changes to our remote repository. Fetch means to retrieve the changes from remote repo to our local one. And to find out more about a specific command, use -h after the command. Now what is commit? A set of saved repository changes. A commit is never lost. A commit has a hash key. A commit is always the same. Now let's learn about some of the other commands. -git add. It will add all the file changes to the staging area. Git commit gives us an overview of the commits. Staging is marking files to be committed. Git reset. It will remove one or more file from the staging. Git status. It will give an overview of untracked file like staged and unstaged files. Branch. Git branch. It will give a list of all the branches. Git branch and the feature branch name. It creates a new branch named feature branch. Git commit -m master branch commit -git log. It will give the detail of the commits. Git checkout branch name. This command is the command to change branch. Git show commit hash key. It shows all the changes that happen to all the files in that commit. Here after commit we will provide the hash key of that commit. In order to see only file names, because in the above command it will show all the details, we can write like this: git show name only. So it will only show a hash, and then after that hash key of the commit. After that we have git reflog commit key. It will give the details of all the commit in all the branches. Git clone link new repository name. Git pull. It will pull our commits from central repository to our local repository. Git revert commit hash key creates a new commit to undo the changes. Git reset soft commit hash key removes commit from history, keeps changes. Git reset hard commit hash key removes commit from history and removes changes. Git merge feature branch, git log. Now let's understand what is a pull request. It's a way for one contributor to have a look at another contributor's code, give their opinions and reviews, and approve or reject the change. Basically a request to merge a branch into another. Git branch. It will display the branches. Git push -f tells Git that local branch is correct and that it should force the override of remote one. Git checkout feature branch. Git push -u origin feature branch. -u indicates the remote repository where we want to push the branch, and feature branch indicates the name of the branch on the remote repository. Git rebase takes the commit that have happened in the original branch and applies them into the current branch before the current changes. Git clean. It removes the untracked file from the staging area. Git init creates a new local repo in a folder. Git remote add adds a new remote repository to the project. Git's diff source branch target branch shows you the difference between two branches. Git tag creates a snapshot of the project at a caret in time. Git stash -h moves the changes of the project into a stash. Git stash pops retrieve changes from stash and reapplies them. So these are the most used commands that we will be using in Git. For more detail and hands-on, follow and subscribe.